welcome to another video on the Mobile Made Simple YouTube channel. So today it's a quick unboxing of the Pixel 5 5G in just black. I was quite interested in the sage green colour, or sort of green, sort of sage, whatever they call it. I ended up with the black. Now this one, I have always been a Pixel fan because I love Google's software and I like Google's cameras, but it is a bit of a change in philosophy for Google this year, as they are going for the mid-range market, as this does only have the 765 Snapdragon, I think, rather than the 865 that's in the flagships. So this might not be the best phone for gaming, but it has had really good reviews for camera and software as usual that we come to expect from Google. So we'll start to open the box now. Again, it's got them nice easy tabs, just pull and remove with the directional arrows. Pull them off and slide this open, and there we see the Google Pixel 5 in black. Immediately picking it out of the box, you can tell it is very light, and it's quite small compared to the phones I normally use. Obviously I'm a fan of like iPhone Pro Max, currently using the Galaxy Fold, Galaxy Note, so this is a bit small, but it may be nice obviously for one-handed use, and it will be good to sort of use a phone that has got an IP rating compared to the Fold. So we'll have a look at this in a second, just see what else is in the box. So remove that. Google's presentation is always good in their phone boxes. So there's the SIM pin. What's this? Meet your new Pixel. So that's what your new Pixel, just the instructions telling you about the buttons and some websites to look at. This is the standard safety leaflets. Obviously the SIM pin. Here we have the charger in the box. Firstly, this is the USB-C converter, so you can plug like a memory stick or a drive into the phone, which is of course the beauty of Android. And then you've got the 18-watt power brick and the cable, USB-C to USB-C. So if we have a look at the phone before we first turn it on, let me take the plastic off. So the black version, it is like a matte finish on the back. It sort of feels like the stone that you'd rub your feet with in the bath. But yeah, it's got a very nice matte finish. Obviously I'll put the SIM card in there now and I'll try this out. I'm interested to see what it is like to use a smaller device, and obviously to use that camera and see what the results are like. And obviously there's that silver power button that stands out on the black. So yeah, oh, and also I forgot to add before I end the video, this does support wireless charging as well, which is I think the first phone to support wireless charging via even with a aluminium back. So I'll also look forward to trying that out, and then I'll post a review on the website. Obviously if you do like Pixel videos, or you are enjoying these videos, then please like and subscribe, and I will be reviewing some cases for the Pixel 5 as well. So once again, thanks for watching.